Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how you can see your contract number using the Caixadirecta application. You have two possibilities. The first one is right before you put your access code or fingerprint, you have to click here on the top right corner and you will see under your name your contract number. This is one option. The other option is you have to log in your account, you have to put your access code, Face ID, fingerprint. And once you are inside in your account of Caixadirecta, you click here where it says menu. Now you just have to click in settings. And you will see here under your name again your contract number, and this is how you can see your contract number using the Caixadirecta application. I hope I helped you and have a nice day. Bye bye.